Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Ferrari La Ferrari Aperta at the 1/24 scale made by Bburago in this black with red stripes. This model is made out of metal and only opens the engine cover. So let's start in the front. Not the best headlights in the world, but look very decent for the price of this model. Also we have some carbon fiber pattern over here on the front splitter. No perforated grills in the front. Also we have this Ferrari logo, which is a sticker here. I really like these red accents, really stand out on the model. Next, on the side we have the wheels, so which look very good. I like the fact that they made the brake move with the wheel. Also we have the Ferrari logo there in the starter cap, and I really like how they did the disc for 1/24 scale. Looks very decent. Next we have the Ferrari shield there on the door. Also we have the side mirrors, which have the same carbon fiber pattern. A nice feature from Bburago. Next, on the side we have the 70 years anniversary logo there. Also in the back we have the wheels, looking very good. In the back, no perforated grills. The exhaust looks quite bad in my opinion. They could have done it better. Looks cheap plastic. I like the reverse backing light here down here. Also we have the stop lights. The middle part is painted there. In the interior, not many details to show you. It's quite hard, but for a 1/24 scale, I think it looks okay. Not the best. I don't know why Bburago isn't improving the quality, but I like the fact that they use some carbon fiber pattern here and there on this model. Next, let's see the only opening part. So the engine cover compartment. We have some plastic there, some clear plastic over the engine so we can see it. Not many details to show you. We try to use some carbon fiber pattern here and there, but nothing spectacular. Looks okay, but I think they could have done better, being the flagship of Ferrari. So I think overall it's a decent model, not the best, but since you don't have an option on the 1/24 scale, I think the collectors will buy it. So please leave a comment and tell me if it's a good model, if you like it, and if you got it. Also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.